Looking for a coffee that's bright, refreshing, and completely different? Cold Brew Lemonade, also known as CoffeeNaid, combines smooth cold brew coffee with tangy homemade lemonade for an energizing drink that's perfect on hot days. It's crisp, citrusy, and surprisingly delicious. Let's make this refreshing summer favorite together. Ingredients: 1 cup cold brew coffee, chilled 1/2 cup fresh lemonade, 1 tablespoon simple syrup or honey, 1/2 cup sparkling water, 4 ice cubes, lemon slices, fresh mint leaves, lemon zest. Directions: start by preparing your favorite cold brew coffee ahead of time and chill it thoroughly. Freshly squeeze lemons to make homemade lemonade, or use a high-quality store-bought version for convenience. Fill a tall serving glass with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the lemonade into the glass first, creating a bright citrus base. If you prefer a sweeter drink, stir in the simple syrup or honey until fully dissolved. Slowly pour the chilled cold brew coffee over the back of a spoon so it gently floats above the lemonade, creating an eye-catching layered effect. For a lighter, sparkling version, top the drink with sparkling water before giving it a gentle stir. Garnish with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, and a light sprinkle of lemon zest for extra aroma and color. Serve immediately with a straw or stir before drinking to blend the bold coffee with the refreshing citrus flavors. Every sip delivers smooth coffee notes balanced by vibrant lemonade, making this unique CoffeeNaid an ideal beverage for warm afternoons, outdoor gatherings, or whenever you need a cool caffeine boost. That's how easy it is to make a refreshing cold brew lemonade at home. If you enjoyed this unique coffee recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative coffee drinks, and leave a comment below with your favorite summer beverage. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.